Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just want to make this quick video. This is going to be different from my other videos because I want to just show you this deal going on right now on Amazon. The Intel Arc A750 limited edition 8 GB graphics card is currently on sale at $180. Alright, this is probably the cheapest 8 GB video card you can buy right now. Alright, so this is an amazing deal. Um, I highly suggest you take advantage of it if you're looking for a new video card. If you have a better video card than this, then this video and this deal is probably not for you. But if you have a GPU, an older GPU that is not better than the A750 8 gigs, maybe you have a 2 gig GPU or you have a 4 gig GPU and you're looking to upgrade, this is a really good chance to get yourself a new video card that does ray tracing, that does super sampling, uh, that is 8 gigs. It's a great video card, and not only that, but as you can see, there's 1,000 plus people have purchased this GPU in the past month. So just this month alone, um, or the previous month, people have been taking advantage of this deal. And as you can see, it's $179.99. And look at this, guys. This is the Amazon bestsellers page, and if you scroll down here, it is number 13. All right, on Amazon's bestsellers list. As you can see, it's only $180. Look at the other GPUs that are 8 gigs. They're not 180. Look at this one, 310. It's 8 gigs. Let's see. This one is 12 gigs. Of course, it's going to be like 860. So let's take a look at all the 8 gig GPUs. 310 right here. This one is, nope, not this one, not this one. Those are all 12 gigs. Look at that, $200 for the 8 gig GPU. Another 8 gig GPU, 220. So yeah, as you can see, none of these 8 gig, none of the other 8 gig GPUs are for $180, but the Intel Arc A750 is. Just on the Intel website right here, as you can see, it went live at 250. So yeah, the price right now, it's really great. Intel XeSS, and also it comes with Assassin's Creed Mirage, which is valued at, I think it's what is it, $50 game, I think. Intel Arc Mirage, uh Assassin's Creed Mirage. So yeah, you get a free game, a free brand new game. This game just came out. So yeah, man, if you're looking for a new GPU and this maybe fits your budget, it's also amazing. Like look how great this video card looks, man, right? It's a great looking video card. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description, the YouTube description. Check out this deal. Take care, everybody. Peace out.